are waiting till the 5th when the kit becomes available, I will show you what you will get inside the kit. So of course you get some of this washi elements, some of our beautiful lace hearts, vellum creative cuts, teal flowers, they have beautiful dimension. Got the regular creative cuts. We have got the mixed keys. These are some of our crystal rhinestones. Some of our perfect sticker sheets in the rose gold, great for titles. Laser cut. The watercolor cut apart sheet. The regular cut apart sheet, upside down, that's better. The magazine, which of course has got all of the layout and card ideas, and the 12 by 12 collection pack. So all of our individual products are available today from the 1st of December, and you'll be able to pick up the kit from the 5th. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.